Have you ever been in a situation where someone in your organization comes to you and says something like, "We need data to better understand the characteristics of our customers or clients"? That is a big question. To be able to effectively bring data to bear in these situations, we need to think about how to turn this broad request into a specific, well-scoped question to use in a data investigation. The critical thing to think about is framing, setting up your problem or question in a way that makes it clear and answerable using data. There are 4 important things to consider when you are framing your problem or question. First, is it specific? In the example I mentioned earlier, there is a lot of room for more specificity. What types of characteristics would be helpful to better understand? Are all customers or clients in scope, or are we interested in a certain segment of customers or clients? Getting more specificity here will help us have a more defined scope for the question. Second, is it clear? It's important for the question or problem statement to be understandable and clear for both analysts and other organizational stakeholders. Think of things like, do we all have the same understanding of who clients and customers are in this context? Third, is it usable? Ultimately, we want a data investigation that we undertake to produce valuable information for all audiences. For that to be true, we need to know upfront what the use cases are. What will a better understanding of our customers enable? Make sure that the question is well framed so that when answered, you know what decisions it can influence. And finally, is it answerable? We can ask all sorts of questions, but if there just isn't data to answer them, there isn't a real point in asking. In our example, we want to make sure that there actually is data to get at some of the characteristics of our customers and clients that we want to understand. With these 4 criteria in mind, you can ask probing questions to be able to reframe the problem or question in a way that sets you, the data investigator, up for success. With a well-framed question, you are now ready to begin thinking about what data you need to start answering it. Ultimately, this will help you and your organization answer the most critical questions with data and open up a world of possibilities in data-driven decision-making.